So if you saw the repair video, Amstrad 901, looked like you'd never been touched. This is a genuine £89.99 made in Japan Cybernet 002F version, not the cheap fake one. It's come with a Palmer standard replacement mic, which I ended up having to repair, but we're going to be using it on our normal standard replacement mic until we get to the end of the video. Not heard anybody on it yet. It's very sensitive set. There is somebody out there, and it's doing a full 4 watt output, having changed the ballast resistor for a 6 watt type. Until it came in doing 2 point, let's look at the sheet. Yeah, 2.8 watts. Out of camera shot. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Right, I'll plug my extension speaker in.
Yep, roger that. Let me know when you're ready.
I'm now ready.
Roger, off we go.
Roger. When he gets to the top of the hill, I'll surprise him with the Roger bleep, but I think he knows what set it is because he saw me take it out of the cardboard box it came in.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio I've got a tone control.
Roger that. So we're heading up the lane, passing the passing place. There's a Sainsbury's delivery van parked in what will be doggy daycare. I think they're a bit previous for that job, don't you think?
Yeah, that's where he's scoffing the order.
Yeah, could be.
So salmon sandwiches.
Right, coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station, 147.9, 155.9.
Oh right, are we late or early?
3 minutes early.
Wow.
Right, we're square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
You got that on full power?
Definitely, yeah.
No, it's quite a bit of noise, not what I'd expect for here.
Right, well, perhaps you've got some difference in trees, but it's certainly drawing the current.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Yep, roger on that. Got going to Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, you're definitely noisy. I think I'm going to lose you in Scratchy Corner.
Roger off.
Passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Milsford.
Roger got you at the top of the hill.
Roger with a beep. It's been Amstrad.
It is. Genuine £89.99 one.
I don't know what's happening, but you're really noisy and I can hear music playing.
How weird.
if I'm noising up. Right, Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear. Going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. On.
Roger that, all received, extremely noisy though. Roger that. Anyway, so we'll go with the rest of it. Right, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. Did you receive my last? Tango 21, nothing heard. Yep, Roger, you back on the Amstrad then now?
Yeah, still on the Amstrad, but it's the aero connection.
Sounds like it then, because you're working now, so yeah, just passing the Kelby turn.
Well, that was the aero socket that I've just tightened up the springing and things.
Ah, Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you loud and clear as the Greyleys turn over.
Yep, Roger that.
That's why we do these tests.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. I'm on this Amstrad 901. Doing a full 4 watt output. We'll go to low power. This is 200 milliwatts on this set. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we are. Low. 500 milliamps. Put it back on low on full power. There we are back on full power, drawing 1.4 amps over.
Yep, no problem. I'm on full power. There is some interference tonight, so I had to knock the auto squelch off for low power, but you were readable.
And that also proves we've sorted out the aerial connection problem.
Yep, Roger that.
Okay, off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rshireby level crossing. Over.
Roger, what are you going over Rshireby level?
Yep, 147.9, 157.9.
Well, that worked out fine in the end. So 10-10.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. Now going over Rshireby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rshireby level crossing. And do you have a petrol price for it at that end, please, over?
Yep, 147.9, 157.9.
Well, that worked out fine in the end. So 10-10.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
Right, well, so you saw what happened there. He knows what the signal's supposed to be like, and we can have differences with trees and that. So it didn't show up on the repair, but it seems that the aerial connector was loose. And that, by that I mean, look at the scrap chassis here with the connector on the back. The technique here is to get a precision screwdriver and get it to open up the 4 leaves, because over all these decades of use and being plugged in and out, you can end up with this opening up. So we've now added springiness back to that connector. The other thing I've done is to go over with the fiberglass brush at the same time. It didn't show up on the test set, but it showed up on the air test. So that's why we do it. Right, we'll go over to the base station and we'll start with the standard replacement mic, and then we'll go over to the customer's own Palmer mic that I've repaired.
Tango 21, testing Amstrad 901 with our standard replacement mic, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm not going to go into low power because the set don't suffer from hum. Now we'll go over to the customer's Palmer replacement mic. Tango 21, testing the customer's own microphone, the Palmer one, standard replacement mic, the one I put the new plug on and rewired and all that. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the next job we'll be doing is the customer's CB901 CB27. So that'll be a power supply rebuild for a start. So thanks for watching Amstrad 901, genuine Japanese one from 1981.